So now I have roughly set up everything here. Now this is not my usual setup. I do it in another room, but specifically for this video, I have bought all the things here. So you can see that I am having my laptop, I've connected my webcam, and this is the graphics tablet. This is one of the most important important things here. So I have connected my lapel mic also. So you can see that this, if you see the screen now, you can see that it is actually following. See, this is a very precise one. I am not using the trackpad on the laptop here now. I am using this thing here. And you can see that it is clearly moving, right? So what I do first is that I have to make the video, right? So you can see that in this OBS Studio, I already started recording it. You can see there is something called display capture. So I have kept the display capture. So whatever is happening in the display now will get recorded. So that is the basic idea. So now you can see that there is no red thing around the cursor. So that is very distracting. Now if I open the Windows Journal software, so this is the Windows Journal software. And see, for example, I draw a simple circuit here, something like this. And if I have to explain the circuit, if I want to explain something about this circuit, so without that, it's a very small point here, it becomes very difficult. So what I do is that there is a software which is called Penitential. This is also free. So you can download this. So if I click this Penitential, you can see that it has that red line has come over that, and it looks pretty good, right? So you can call this battery R1, R2, R3. So it's very easy to show this. Now simultaneously what I am doing is that I am recording the audio also. See, I am recording the audio using this Audacity software now, and also in this OBS Studio also the audio is getting recorded. See, this mic is happening right here. So this mic is going up and down. That means this is also recording the audio. So this is OBS Studio is recording the audio, as well as Audacity is also recording the audio here. Okay, so this is just a sample file, and I'll just show you what I do after this. So after this, what I will do, I will actually stop this recording, and I will stop this also here. Okay, so now I'll stop the recording. So after that sample recording, if I want to see that file, I'll just go here, file and show recordings. So this is the latest recording here. So this is the latest recording which I have just recorded now. Okay, and other than that, you can see that in the Audacity, the sample file number 2 is actually the audio of that recording. Okay, so this file also will have an audio and video, and this file is only the audio file. So what I do first is that I will just go here, and I have to eliminate the background noise, right? So what I'll do is I'll just select a little bit of this. I'll select a little bit of this particular section. I'll go to Effect, and I'll go for Noise Reduction. And then I'll press Noise Profile. So now the software has analyzed everything, and then I will select all. I'll select the entire waveform, and then I will go to again Noise Reduction, and then I'll press OK. So basically what it is doing is that it is analyzing the noise and it's eliminating from throughout the video here. So now this is not in the usual audio format that we use. Okay, so now we have to first then export it. So I'll go to File, and I'll press Export Audio. Once if I press Export Audio, I can easily export that file. So I'll just keep the name as sample file 2 itself. So save. So it is getting exported. Okay, so once that is exported, by that time we will just try to launch our software, which is, I use Vinci Resolve, which is a very resource intensive software. So you can use some simple video editors also. So the Vinci software has now loaded actually, and now what I will do is I will select that video. Now first I will take that sample video, which is this video here. This is the video which I am making right now. Okay, so this is the video which I have already made. So I'll just take it and keep it here. So change. So that has come here, right? That has come here. And other than that, what I did, I also recorded an audio from the Audacity. So that usually I save it here, somewhere here. Induction motor, yeah. I might have saved it here, yes. So here, sample file 2, right? So this is the good audio, which has all the noise correction and all those things. So I put these 2 videos here, and then I take it to the time. Now each and every audio software or video editing software will have a different way of doing it. So you can see that I have bought both of them here. And if you see, there is a small trick which I learned from some YouTube videos. That is, see, there are 2 audio tracks, right? So there is one which is recorded by OBS Studio, and one audio track which is recorded by the Audacity software. So I want to use the Audacity software track with the video which is recorded by OBS Studio. So I cannot press both records simultaneously. So there is going to be some lag. So what I do is that I do a clap, okay, and I know that when I synchronize these two claps, the audio also will get synchronized. So if you see that in this audio source you see here, I'll just put a mute here. So this audio source is from the OBS Studio. This audio source is from the OBS Studio. So if I just see that this is the first clap which I have made. So I'll just analyze that waveform. This is a simple tip which I can tell. So this is the first clap. I'll just trim it till there. There is some more easier method, means I can do that also, but this is what I know and this works for me. And then I go to the second waveform and I'll see where is the clap there. Yeah, so if I see this waveform here, so this is the clap, right? So if I know that if I bring these two claps together, so this is the clap. So it is a simple technique. I used to face a lot of difficulty initially, but then I saw some videos and I solved my problem. So I just bring these two together. Sometimes then I add some titles also, right? What is the lecture and all those things. I add all those things, but now it's not required because this is a simple tutorial video. This is not a very professional tutorial video. It is just for teachers who want to do a quick tutorial or something like that. So these two audios are synced. So if you see the video, it will look something like this. Let's see the video. I don't know if you will be hearing the audio.
So you can see that I am having my laptop.
Let me see. Yeah, see the audio, the claps.
So
what I have done here now is that this audio I have muted. So the audio track from OBS I have muted and I am using the good track from the Audacity software. So that is the basic idea here. And after this I have to just export it. I will to go here, this option, and I give all these things. I put it in a render queue. If I press start render, it will export it as a single video. So this is the basic idea. So what all do you require? You require hardware, a PC, a webcam, a mic and a graphics tablet. If you are not having the graphics tablet, it's okay. You can just record your classroom in the whiteboard also. That's not an issue. But later on point, try to ask your college authorities, or if you can buy on your own, please buy this. It's a very good tool for online content creation. Because I am not a big fan of these PowerPoints, etc. It's boring. PowerPoints are boring for me. I like the old Blackboard approach. So that is very good. This is the closest you can get to the Blackboard approach in an online platform. Okay, and then you are having the software side. That is the Audacity, OBS Studio, Penitential and Windows Journal. Combining all these, you can create online videos for your students. So I hope this video has been a little bit helpful for you all. I don't know how professional this is going to come out. I am not a professional video maker. I just make simple concepts in electrical engineering. That's my area. I just know what I need to know to put out content. That's it. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for all you teachers who want to put out online content out there. So till I see you in the next video, it's me Varun signing off, and have a great day. Thank you.